Good morning, Social Cam. I'm getting ready to go into the gym and hit it hard. I got a little day in yesterday and got a light workout. I'm about to go in hard this morning. Yeah. Anyway, sure. Um, but before I go in, I had to say this. Ain't got nothing to do with workout. Well, my workout's gonna help me later, but this ain't got nothing to do with workout. I'm going. Today is my 14th wedding anniversary. I'm so excited because I've been married to Tawana Bonita Porter. Well, Tawana Bonita Davis Porter, and 14 years ago today, baby, yeah, I love you, babe. So I just want to let the world know that we 14 years going strong, keeping it going, and I love her with all my heart and all of my eyes. You see all of my eyes? Whoa, that's love. Anyway, so y'all help me celebrate her. Tawana, I love you. Thank you for my son and for everything that you do for us in just being so fine. And Lord, she can sing. Jesus! All right. Okay, so I'm about to go in here and work out, and I'm going to be thinking about her the whole time I work out. Well, I might not work out that long if I do that, so I'm going to think about the halftime. All right? Love y'all. Peace. God bless.